welcome to our channel. In today's episode, we'll be discussing winter garden preparations. We will also be harvesting some bird's eye chilies and enjoying a second round of our butternut squash harvest. As the temperatures drop on the southern side of the equator, it's time for us to prepare our gardens for winter. But first, let's harvest some spicy bird eye chilies. If you're looking to add a bold and fiery flavor to your winter soups and stews, then you should definitely consider using bird's eye chili peppers. These small but potent peppers pack a serious punch and are perfect for spicing up your favorite winter dishes. I also harvested some butternut squash. Butternut squash was really happy here. This is our second harvest this season. Now, butternut squash is like a superhero veggie for winter. You can roast it, make soup, or add it to any dish for a yummy nutty taste. Plus, it also lasts a long time, so it's a perfect winter veggie. Now, if you want more information on how to properly harvest and cure your butternut squash, check out some of our videos linked at the end of this video. Look at that beautiful butternut squash. I think I did pretty good on this one, considering that it was my first time growing butternut squash. Now that we've harvested our chilies and butternut squash, let's clear out the garden beds to make way for winter crops. I removed any old plants and weeds to prevent pests and diseases from overwintering and coming back to bother me next season. As I prepare for the colder months, it's important to clean up the garden beds to ensure a healthy growing environment for my upcoming winter crops. By clearing out old plants and weeds, we can prevent pests and diseases from lingering and causing problems in the upcoming season. Remember to compost any healthy plant material and throw away any diseased or pest-infested plants. Properly removing diseased and pest-infested plants will help prevent the spread of harmful organisms in your garden. By composting the healthy plant material, you will enrich the soil for future planting season. I will not be composting these butternut squash leaves and vines because they've been infested by aphids, and as I'm removing them, there's still a lot of powdery mildew left on them. So I will not be using them in my compost. Instead, I will throw them away. As I'm harvesting here, I'm also collecting some of the flowers and some of the leftover butternut squash that were still growing, and I'll be using some of the small ones as I prepare dinner tonight. Once the garden beds are cleared, it's time for me to till the soil. Tilling the soil will help me as I'm gradually amending this clayey soil by breaking up compacted soil, removing grass seeds, and incorporating organic matter. Tilling also loosens up the soil, allowing water and nutrients to penetrate deep into the roots of your plants. One of the main reasons why I still have to till my soil is because in some parts of the garden beds it's still pretty compact. I also have to deal with grass seeds because this entire area used to be lawn for many years before we moved into this house. Hidden away in the soil, these seeds may hide and later bloom and grow to take over your garden. They can be small and easily overlooked, so I try to be thorough to remove them entirely, including all of their root systems. This is what they look like up close. So I just till the soil and then I shake them off. You see they have a long web of a root system. And I know I'm disturbing the earthworms as I'm doing this process, but I have to do it because I would not want to be dealing with a lot of grass weeds competing with my plants for nutrition. Now after I was done with all of the tilling, now I had to do one final step, which is just to get all of the garden beds level, making sure that all of the bigger chunks are taken care of and removing the last of the grass seeds left in the soil. So this entire process took me 3 days to complete, and this is day 3 and I'm done. Preparing your garden for winter is crucial for ensuring a health and productivity for the upcoming seasons. Please write on the comment section below what specific tasks are you planning to do for your winter garden prep. There you go. Our winter garden is prepared and ready for planting some seeds and seedlings as we get ready for winter ahead. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. Please remember to share it with everyone you know. Happy gardening and thank you for watching.